Maybe some of you are still confused about adding a new paper page in Microsoft Word. So, in this tutorial, I will share how. There are several ways to create a new page in Microsoft Word. The first way, we can press the Enter key on the keyboard at the end of the page until a new page appears. Or we can also create a new page by pressing the Control key and the Enter key on the keyboard so that a new page appears. Alternatively, we can go to the Insert menu, then select Blank Page. Friends, just choose the method which you think is easier and quicker to do. So, how about it, friends? It's easy, right?